Alright guys, the crafting work is complete. Moving ahead, these are all the hardware components required for the build, including the motors, servo, bearings and tires for the truck. Now coming to the electronics, I already have most of the components ready except the RCPWM switch to control the headlights. Instead of buying one, I decided to design and build my own PCB for it. I started this project by designing the circuit in EasyEDA, converting it into a PCB layout and exporting the Gerber files. Then I uploaded them to glcpcb.com to order the boards. Big thanks to glcpcb for sponsoring this video. glcpcb is one of the most reliable and affordable PCB manufacturers out there. They offer everything from standard and multi-layer PCBs to flex PCBs, PCB assembly and SMT stencils, which makes it super easy to prototype complete products in one place. Ordering is very simple, just upload your Gerber files, select your PCB specifications and place your order in a minute. The interface is beginner friendly and gives you instant pricing. After a few days, my PCBs arrived and as always the quality was excellent. I've been using GLC PCBs for over a year now and have never been disappointed. If you want to take your projects to the next level, check out the link in the description and give GLC PCB a try. Now that the PCB is here, let's quickly solder the headers and upload the working code. Alright, it's done. Including the RCPWM switch, we now have all the electronics ready. So without wasting any more time, let's start building that truck. Before we continue, a big shout out to LTM for sponsoring today's video. LTM is known for supporting some of the world's most advanced electronics design workflows, helping engineers collaborate better, manage designs efficiently, and build with confidence. And if you are a student or just getting started, LTM has something truly valuable for you, LTM Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry level learning and a structured PCB program that takes you from basics to the real world design, including layout, manufacturing awareness, and supply chain fundamentals. You will work on practical projects, grow your portfolio, and even earn a certificate that helps you open doors for your future career. So if you are serious about the electronics, check the link in the description and join the LTM Student Lab today. Now let's get back to the build.
you.